Only game I don't understand is the spare change tab. Spare change. So spare change, you know if they call it downline. So if you ever look at a bingo board, I should take you guys over to this thing and show you. There's one right in front of me. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick, okay? And then we'll go through what spare change is. So pay attention, watch. Okay, so you see this bingo board right here? Let's see. Okay, so you see the bingo board? So you see the down line where it starts at 1 and it goes all the way across to 15. So those are considered, whenever there's a horse game, those are considered horses. Every down line, which means the number from 1 all the way down to 61, in the B, the I, the N, and the G in the O row, that's considered one horse, the number 1 horse. The number 2 horse is considered 2, 17, 32, 47, and 62, all the way across to 15. So whenever there's a horse race game, there's horses from 1 to 15. Now on spare change, the tickets have 3 of those downline numbers on them, all the way from 1 to 15. So it's 3 different variations of 3 numbers going downwards. So let's say for number 1, where you guys see the 1 at, you might have a spare change ticket that has 1, 16, and 31 on it. So you have to get 1, 16, and 31 before someone else gets 1, 31, 46. Because see, you don't have 46 on yours, you have 1, 16, 31. So that's how spare change works. You have to get the 3 numbers before someone else gets their 3 numbers. And it can be different variations. It can be different variations of the 3 numbers in the row, all the way across from 1 to 15. So there's several different tickets and several different variations, combinations of that downline. That's how spare change works. And then once you get your 3, you get the dollar amount, and then the person who has the spare change holder gets the remainder of whatever that jackpot is. So spare change usually comes in either 800 or 1500. So if your ticket says 500 on it, then the spare change holder person will get either 300 or 1,000. Okay? Alrighty. Okay? I hope that helps on spare change. I hope that helps. Amount on the pull tab, yes. Okay, I got that one, Crystal, for you. When you say I'm out and throw the ticket away. So, Susan, again, like I said, if your ticket has 116.31 on it and someone else's ticket has 116.46, and say 46 comes up, your ticket is out because you don't have 46 on yours, and it's always the first 3 numbers that comes out in that row. It's the first 3 numbers. So there's no possibility that your ticket can win because 46 was already called. So 46 is obviously going to come up before your all 3 of your 1, 16, and 31. So then you just throw that ticket out. That's when they say I'm out of that now line. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope I understand. I explained that without confusing you more.